What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In the last one, you guys saw us getting the S13 ready and bringing it down for Matsuri. We're in the pits now, just unloading the cars, about to take them through scrutineering. Today's gonna be sick. Possibly the funniest car here. C33 Morel. Car's just going through scrutineering now. Make sure it's all good to go out on track. Cars are lining up out for the first session. I'm gonna go for a ride with Guy, see how he does it, and yeah, it should be good. So Guy's been out for team drift and did the drift limbo after he did that first session, and I'm about to have my first drive. How's it feeling out there?
The car's all good, everything seems sweet. It's a bit soft with that TSD, like suspension is I've put on full soft so for more grip, and it moves a lot, but it feels good. Yeah, just third gear and thrash it, man. It'll be sweet. You're not going to treat it any worse than Shannon did, so don't worry about it. Just yeah, temperature's on and it's a bit hot, and I gotta keep cooling it down, but we'll chuck water in it and keep the
Tobin's on the job.
The water filler, the water system filled up, and hopefully it can just handle for the rest of the day. So no, it's good, bro.
Sweet. All right, yeah, a little bit nervous, but no, should be good. This is awesome. Because I'm short, trusty pillow, make myself fit a little bit better in it. Getting a bit wet wild out here.
Wowee! South Island weather. You don't get this shit in the North Island.
Oh, bullshit.
Hey.
Been out for my first session and it went pretty well. Started raining real heavily, but luckily it's dried up now, so it's pretty good. About to head out for my second session, and fuck, this car is awesome, but I'm starting to think 20 there isn't going to be enough. that'll wrap it for this one, guys. Cheers for watching. I got to give a massive shout out to Guy for letting me rip up his S13 at Matsuri. It was honestly an experience of a lifetime. It's been my dream to be driving cars of that level ever since I was like 12, 13. So to be able to drive a car like that on a track like that was, yeah, definitely good. It's definitely given me the kick in the ass I needed to get my shit done. And yeah, also want to give a shout out to GD Autosport for supplying some of the footage. The outside footage and the drone shots are from those boys, so go give them some love. Link to Guy's channel will be in the link in the description below. Choice Files, go check it out, guys. Makes good content, and yeah, support your New Zealanders. Also want to give a thanks to Tobin. Big thanks to Tobin for all the help preparing the car for Matsuri. And also shout out to Patchett, forgot to mention earlier in the video, but while me and Guy were in driver's meeting, Sam adjusted the clutch for us. So yeah, shout out to Patchett for doing that. Patchett's Garage on YouTube too. Go give that a sub. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one.